Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the convert option in the Binance application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see the Binance logo. Press on it. And now you should select here in the middle of your screen the third option, which is convert. And here you can basically just enter an amount, and you can see that from the specific crypto coin it was converted to the other crypto coin, and you can see the value difference basically. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.